बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे मार्च 24, 2024 के अखबार में। पोजीशन ओपन अकाउंट्स असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट विद 2 to 3 years एक्सपीरियंस इन FMCG कंपनी, प्रोफिशिएंट इन बुक कीपिंग एंड MS ऑफिस with excellent knowledge of costing. WhatsApp your CVs on 0333032234 0333032234. Required qualified finance and account assistant, age between 25 to 35 years. The candidates must be BCom BPA and must have experience of 2 to 3 years in respective fields. Send CV at jobs at Asia Industries.org. Urgently required accounts manager. He/she should be commerce graduate with 3 to 4 years of experience. Kindly email at welfarenkati@gmail.com. कंप्यूटर्स की जॉब है। वी ऑफर प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट, प्लानिंग/कंट्रोल टाइम. Cost on MS project GIRA through Agile methodology, Scrum framework. मोबाइल नंबर है 0300 894 2610 0300 894 2610. इंजीनियरिंग की जॉब है। ATTN इंजीनियर्स गेट प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग, क्लासरूम, ऑनलाइन MS प्रोजेक्ट, प्राइमेवीरा, P6 BIM, प्लान, स्विफ्ट, एजाइल, स्क्रम, जीरा, ETABS, SAP 2000. मोबाइल नंबर है 0300 894 2610 0300 894 2610. BE मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर with 2 to 3 years office environment experience. Required to work and carry out sales related costing works. Please email your CV at info@imeltd.org. info@imeltd.org. लेज़र कटिंग मशीन ऑपरेटर, एक्सपर्ट इन एल्यूमिनियम शीट्स, कॉपर शीट्स, मेटल शीट्स, कटिंग एंड ऑपरेट वेल. कॉन्टैक्ट 0333215882 0333215882. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0300 9256126 0300 9256126. We are looking for a motivated and experienced service engineer to join our team. He will be responsible for installing, troubleshooting and maintaining a range of electronic equipment / systems. Excellent knowledge in computer hardware and software configuration techniques. Must be 3 years TAE electronics from a reputable technical institute. Must have experience of working on industrial electronic equipment. Good written and verbal communication skills in English. Please apply at techrecruitment@ialpak.com. techrecruitment@ialpak.com. जनरल की जॉब है। पोजीशन वैकेंट फॉर मेल फीमेल एज गूगल सर्च सुपरवाइज़र, एज 25 से 35 साल, 25 to 35 years, प्रीफरेबली ग्रेजुएट, शुड बी एक्सपर्ट इन गूगल सर्च, फ्लुएंट इन रिटन एंड स्पोकन इंग्लिश. Main job function is to search for international suppliers and buyer of different products through different search engines. Shortlisted only candidates will be called for interview. Minimum 10 years of work experience, preferably candidates living near Clifton Defence and Chandigarh Road area. Congenial working environment. Salary commensurate with experience. and CV and photograph to alwaysbusiness171@gmail.com. alwaysbusiness171@gmail.com. एकेडमिक हेड की ज़रूरत है. गाइड एंड डिलीवर स्टूडेंट्स एंड स्टाफ फॉर इंटरनेशनल करिकुलम, एबल टू मेक टाइम टेबल्स, कम्युनिकेट एंड काउंसिल स्टूडेंट्स, कंडक्ट एंड मेक एग्जामिनेशन शेड्यूल, collect marks/grades to produce mark sheets, organize academic events. Email your CV info@masterclass.pk and irshad@masterclass.pk. Camelot Ludus School in Gulshan Block 4 requires therapist for morning hours but part time. slash consultancy basis experienced speech behavioral occupational therapist may send their CV on camelot और ये क्या लिखा हुआ iudus@gmail.com और व्हाट्सएप नंबर होगा ये 0344467687 0344467687. Experienced restaurant staff required. A famous reputed Italian continental food chain is hiring staff for its busiest outlet in Gulshan in need of waiter, waitress, order taker, runner, buzzers, cleaners, hostess, cashier, barista, continental chef, hotline chef, comments to dishwashers. Experience of fine dining is preferred. Good salary allowances and medical provided. Please contact 0332 763 9244 0332 763 9244 / email your CVs at dfgi.careers@gmail.com. D for doctor, F for fan, G for gun, I for industry. dfgi.careers@gmail.com. जनरेटर ऑपरेटर की जॉब है. वायरमैन लाइसेंस होल्डर ब्रैकेट क्लोज रिक्वायर्ड 8 hours shift duty. लोकेशन वेस्ट वार्फ कराची. एजुकेशन DAE/BTech इलेक्ट्रिकल मिनिमम 5 years experience with relevant field. Wireman license compulsory. Contact 0339 403 5985 0339 403 5985. A reputed construction company in Karachi requires the services of following for their project in Karachi. Number 1, security in charge, retired army officer preferably. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ ISI/MI ब्रैकेट क्लोज capt/major/colonel to manage 24/7 security in our project. Must have Karachi experience in dealing with corporate security and liaison with law enforcement agencies. Number 2, procurement officer, bachelor/masters in supply chain with minimum 5 years of experience in procurement management. Preference will be given to individual having experience of construction company. Number 3, HR office, bachelor/master in HR with minimum 5 years of experience. Preference will be given to individuals having experience of construction company. Interested candidates send their application with CV/credentials mentioning their expected salary and job role to ENGR_Mubashir MUBASHAR.ali@outlook.com. A leading company located in DHA is looking to hire qualified person in the documentation and procedures of import and exports field. Must have experience of minimum 5 years. Interested candidates please send their updated CV with recent photo at jobs@asiaindustries.org. Need fresh male/female for office work and digital marketing at Zamzama. Qualified, matured and capable to work with us. Team. CV 0333236247 0333236247. We are looking for social media manager, male or female for our real estate business. Candidate should have expertise in planning the social media campaigns and should have knowledge to generate leads from the campaigns. Please send CV at multitrader007@gmail.com. multitrader007@gmail.com. We need a smart, energetic male and female real estate consultants who can advise clients on real estate purchases and sales, should negotiate with clients for real estate deals, should have good communication skills. Experience in the real estate industry is a must. Please send CV at multitrader007@gmail.com. E-commerce की जॉब है. E-commerce company seeking a product photographer with proficiency in graphic design for a full-time office-based role. Candidates with video editing skills will be preferred. Location near Karachi University Road. व्हाट्सएप 032182391100, 032182391100, ईमेल ali@bileexporters.com, ali@bileexporters.com। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।